Hi everyone, I'm Naomi. Welcome to Naomi's Filipino Kitchen, where all my Filipino recipes are all presented in English. Before I start cooking, let me introduce you to a good friend who has a great channel, Robin. And every time I watch her video, it makes me wanna clean. She also talks about her faith that makes me drawn to her.
Hi Naomi, hi everyone. My name is Robin and my channel is called Faith and Flour. I am a stay-home wife and mom of 2 boys, and on my channel I share videos on cooking, cleaning, decluttering and organizing, and my faith. Naomi for introducing me on your channel, and thank you all for watching. I hope right after you finish watching Naomi's video, you'll head over to my channel. So see you soon. Bye.
And guys, don't forget to check out Robin's channel and say hi from me. Today, I'm going to show you how to cook the best creamy garlic beef you ever tasted. Wait until the end of this video for a sneaky peek of some of my other recipes. Here are the ingredients of my creamy garlic beef. Beef stock, cooking oil, paprika, parsley flakes, ground black pepper, salt, coconut cream, and garlic. Now let's prepare the beef. I hope you enjoyed the recipe today, and if you like it, then like it. If you love it, please subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Hi guys, if you fancy a giggle and you want to see me jumping into a freezing cold swimming pool, click here. And if you want to see a preview of my cooking, click here. Thanks for watching. See you soon.